Hi there, welcome to the channel. I'm Carmen. Today I'm going to take some junk and also some photos and do some memory keeping of a huge snowstorm as well as a new shrimp tank or aquarium that we acquired. All of this happened recently. First, I'm going to pick out some paper. This is some seasonal paper. They have a lot of different options. I actually picked this up at Walmart, I believe. And I'm going to go with this snow type theme to go along with the huge snow that we had here. Also, I want a title, and so going a little analog here and using this 3D label maker to do a winter storm. And then also I want to have a title for the shrimp tank. So I'm literally just putting shrimp tank. I actually love these little stickers. I believe I ordered them off Amazon, I'm not sure, but they are so fun. They look like the little beads kind of, but they're actually stickers. Now I'm using my Liene printer. It's a 2x3 printer to print off the photos. There's a picture of the beach. That's the boardwalk area there, the skywell at the end. And then this is looking down towards the beach. There was no way to get down to the beach in certain areas. It was just complete snow. Like the wind had blown the snow incredibly high. I'll talk about this a little more later, but this snowstorm was a big deal for us. You'll see the palm trees in the picture. This is not normal for this area. That's why it's such a big deal. So if you're watching from a colder climate, you may be like, snow, big deal. Here, it's a really big deal when it happens. And I don't know what you're like on a snow day or if snow's even a big deal for you, but for us, it's an opportunity. And when I say us, I mean my husband and I to eat and do some things we wouldn't normally do since we're stuck in the house. I did some baking. I baked some pumpkin cranberry muffins. And then I thought this cookie was fun. That's actually a beer container that it came off of, but I thought a cookie is appropriate. And then, of course, some dark chocolate. That's my love, so I have to put some dark chocolate on there. And I put a thermometer up because I want to put some of the records that we broke. Well, we actually broke some temperature records and other things. And then the palm trees, because the palm trees were covered in snow, which was just so strange looking. And then we're at the beach, so got a little beach sticker that go there with it, and of course some hot tea. I'm a tea drinker, so I've got this cute tea washi tape. I got this from the Cozy Journal. If you missed my short, I did a haul video showing what I picked up from there. It's an online store. If you're finding this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up or a like. It helps other people find the video, and I greatly appreciate it. Also, if you want to see more journaling and junk journaling videos, definitely subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Now I'm going to write in some of the different records that we hit. We hit 19 degrees, which for that day, this was on February 1st, was a record low. And we also got 5 inches of snow, and they said we had around a 0 degree, this is Fahrenheit, wind chill, which I also think broke some records. We had some 30 to 40 mile per hour winds. So I want to work on the shrimp tank side now. We have had aquariums in the past, but we have never had a shrimp tank before. So these are not being raised for food, even though I'm gonna have some funny, I have some funny stickers I want to use, but these are actually pets. It's just like having a fish tank, only they're shrimp. So that's a picture up close of the shrimp. They're called ghost shrimp. So they are really transparent. You can see right through them. They're pretty interesting. It's a way that they keep predators from seeing them in the wild. So they make a really interesting and fun pet to watch, and they're supposed to be low maintenance-ish. We're finding that not true so far, but we'll see. Maybe it's because we're still getting established. And yes, we know to establish the tank first. We went through all the proper steps, but this was the week we actually added the shrimp. We already had the tank, we already had the plants, went through all the water conditioning, and we did get the shrimp from PetSmart, and we did get a water test kit. So I've got the test strip from the water test kit, as well as some brochures from PetSmart, which is where we got the shrimp. Now the tank and the stand for the tank, which came in a million pieces, were both from Amazon online, but the shrimp themselves came from PetSmart, so we had to have a little PetSmart in there. And that actual test strip was the first time we tested the water levels, and so we wanted to include that as well. So I had a Shrimply the best, and then my husband actually loves shrimp chips, so I just thought this was a little bit funny or ironic. You may or may not get it. I don't know. Leave me a comment and let me know if you think that's funny. And these are little sushi guys with shrimp on their heads, which I also found funny because he does like sushi as well. And then that is from the dollar store, the sticker sheet right here. They are kind of hard to pull off without ripping them, but you can get them off. It's only $1.25 for 2 giant sheets of fish and nautical sort of theme. So that was pretty cool. And then this is the directions for making that stand. That was a major project. It took him like 2 days. And I always test out my stamp on something before I actually put it on the journal because sometimes they don't come out quite right. And I like to stamp the date of the week that this happened, which was February 1st. Here's the final junk journal and memory keeping of the big snow and the shrimp tank. If you'd like to see more journaling videos, definitely click on the video on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.